Okay, so this is homework 3.2. We're just going to go over its function notation and functions. So what is the value of f of negative 3 for each function? So what that means is you are plugging in negative 3 anywhere you see an x. So f of negative 3 is 4 times negative 3 minus 9. So you would have negative 12 minus 9, which gives you negative 21. So f of negative 3 equals negative 21. Remember, this f of x is a fancier way of just saying y. Then here I have f of x. So f of negative 3 equals negative 1/3 times negative 3 plus 13. So then that would give me 1 plus 13. So f of negative 3 equals 14. And then 3, f of negative 3 equals negative 2 times negative 3 minus 11. So you have 6 minus 11 equals negative 5. So f of negative 3 equals negative 5. And this one says draw the graph of each linear function. So you are just graphing it just like you would if it said y equals 3x minus 6. So my slope is 3 and my b is negative 6. So I'm going to go to negative 6 on my y-axis. Put it at, I'm going to go up 3 over 1. Up 3 and over 1. And that would be my line. Same thing for number 5. f of x equals negative 2x plus 4. My slope is negative 2. My b is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down 2 to the right 1. So that would be my line. You can do number 6. Same concept. So for questions 7 through 9, use the data in each table to write a linear function using function notation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope. So you can do a couple different things. I can take this. I know here I'm adding 3. So we're going to do it on this one. The x's I'm adding 1. And remember, it's y over x. So my slope is going to be 3 over 1, which is just 3. Then I have to find a point to plug in for y equals 3x plus b to solve for b. So I'm going to use this one right here, 2, 0. So 0 equals 3 times 2 plus b. 0 equals 6 plus b. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. So negative 6 equals b. So my function is just going to be f of x equals, let's try it, f of x equals 3x minus 6. So if I'm looking at 8, I'm going to pick 2 points and do my slope. So I'm going to have 121 and 349. So I'm going to take 49 minus 21 over 3 minus 2. 49 over 21 is 18 over 2. That's 28, not 18. 28 over 2. So my slope is going to be 14. Now this one's very simple. I don't have to do this to find b because I already know my y-intercept. Anytime x is 0, your y-intercept or your b is that answer. So I'm going to have f of x equals 14x plus 7. So I'm going to leave 9 for you to complete. Number 10 just says for a basic subscription, a cable television provider charges an activation fee of $60 plus $125 per month. Right, what linear function represents the total cost of the basic cable subscription for T months? What is the total cost for 2 years? Remember, months or years. So first I have to write my function. So you're just writing your slope-intercept form, but instead of the y, you put f of x. So I have f of x equals my slope is anything that has per, each, every. So it's 125 per month plus the one-time activation fee. Now it says how much is it going to cost for 2 years? So remember, 1 year is 12 months. So 2 years is going to equal 24 months. So I'm going to plug that 24 in for x. So f of 24 equals 125 times 24 plus 60. 125 times 24 is 3,000 plus 60. So for 2 years, it's going to cost $3,060. Now, this says given f of x equals 2x minus 3 and wx equals 2 times f of x, write the function w and then state the slope and y-intercept of w. So all I'm doing here is I'm multiplying this entire thing by 2. So f of x, or 2 of f of x equals 2 times 7x minus 3. So it's going to be 14x, because you're distributing, minus 6. So f of 2 of f of x equals 14x minus 6. So my slope is now 14, and my y-intercept is now 6. Same thing for this one. Given g of x equals negative 4x minus 6, and k of x equals 5 times g of x, write the function k, and then state the slope and the y-intercept. So again, I am taking 5 g of x, which is going to equal 5 times negative 4x minus 6. So 5g of x is going to equal negative 20x minus 30. So my new slope is negative 20, and my new y-intercept is negative 30. Now, I'm going to leave 13 for you to do.